Toot toot, all aboard and the rainbow train is on the board. Colors shining bright and clear, come along, the train is here. First comes red, the shining star. Hey! Zooming fast, it goes so far. Hoo! Clap your hands and wave hooray. Hoo! Red train leads the way today. Hey! Next is orange, sweet and bright, rolling softly, full of light. Hey! Tap your toes and spin around. Hoo! Orange makes a joyful sound. Here comes yellow, sunny and sweet. Hey! Smiling faces on every seat. Hey! Jump up high, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Yellow shines so happily. Hey! Hey! Green rolls in through fields and trees. Hey! Whistling softly with the breeze. Hey! Hop like frogs and stretch up high. Hey! Green says hello to the sky. Hey! Blue train chugs by rivers wide. Hey! Waves and clouds both side by side. Hey! Flap your arms, feel the air. Hey! Blue means calm is every load. Hey! Now comes purple, shining bright. Hey! Stars appear in evening light. Hey! Twirl around, then bow down low. Hey! Purple says it's time to glow. Hey! Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Purple shines in magic too. Toot toot, the colors gleam, all aboard the rainbow dream. Train passes through rainbow tunnels, see sparks, bubbles, and glitter everywhere. Matt, kids wave from each color coach. Hey, hey! Purple says it's time to glow. Stay!